Welcome to IRCC.io, an AI-powered immigration planning website designed by Synova to help people explore Canadian immigration pathways, calculators, statistics, and planning tools. Before we start, two important notes. First, this is not an official Canadian government website. IRCC.io is an independent tool. The information can help you understand your options, but you should always confirm important details on the official Government of Canada website before making immigration decisions. Second, the website is available in multiple languages. You can change the language from the globe icon at the top of the page. However, please remember that the translations are generated by AI and may not be 100% accurate. If something looks unclear or confusing in your language, it is better to switch back to English and double-check. Now, let's go through the website. On the website, you will see different sections, including AI tools, federal immigration tools, provincial immigration calculators, data and statistics pages, and blog articles. Let's start with one of the most important pages, AI assessment. The AI assessment page is usually the best place to start, especially if you are outside Canada and you are not sure which immigration program may fit your profile. This tool asks you basic questions about your situation and then gives you a general idea of which Canadian immigration pathways may be possible for you. You may need to enter information such as your age, your available funds, your net worth, your English level, your French level, your education, your work experience, your job category, your travel history, your family status, and your timeline. As you complete the form, the website reviews your profile and compares it with different immigration options. The results are usually shown with different program cards. These cards help you quickly understand whether a pathway may be suitable, almost suitable, or not suitable based on your answers. For example, if your profile looks strong for a program, the tool may show that you appear eligible. If you are close but missing something, it may show that you need improvement. If your profile does not match the basic requirements, it may show that you are not eligible at this time. The next AI page is the AI Advisor. This tool is helpful if you have a specific immigration question. You can type your question in normal language, and the AI will try to give you an answer based on available immigration information. Now, let's open the CRS calculator. This is one of the most important tools on IRCC.io for people interested in express entry. CRS stands for Comprehensive Ranking System. It is the point system used in express entry to rank candidates. Your CRS score can affect whether you receive an invitation to apply for permanent residence. On this page, you enter your personal information step by step. Your age, your marital status, your education, your Canadian work experience, your foreign work experience, your English and French language results, your provincial nomination, and whether you have a sibling in Canada. As you enter the information, the calculator gives you a CRS score and usually shows a breakdown of the points. After calculating your CRS score, do not stop there. The score alone means nothing unless you compare it with recent express entry draw results. That is why the next important page is Draw Statistics. The Draw Statistics page helps you understand recent and historical immigration draws. This page is especially important for express entry candidates because it shows previous invitation rounds and cutoff scores. Different categories can have very different cutoff scores. Use the filters to focus on the category that applies to you. If you speak French, check French language draws. If you work in healthcare, check healthcare draws. If you are looking at general express entry, check general or all program draws. On this page, you can usually see information such as the draw date, the program or category, the number of invitations issued, and the CRS cutoff score. IRCC.io also has several data and statistics pages. The CRS distribution page shows how many candidates are in the express entry pool at different score ranges. This helps you understand how competitive the pool is. For example, if many people are above your score, the cutoff may stay high. If the number of high-scoring candidates decreases, future cutoffs may become more favorable. The PR Statistics page shows permanent residence admission data. This can help you see trends by program, category, or country. The Immigration Levels Plan page shows Canada's immigration targets. This helps you understand how many people Canada plans to admit through different immigration categories. The Application Inventory page gives an idea of how many applications are waiting in the system. This can help explain why some processing times may be longer. Now let's look briefly at the other AI tools. The NOC Finder helps you search for your occupation and find the closest NOC code. This is important because many Canadian immigration programs depend on your occupation and TER category. The University Finder can help students explore study options based on their field, budget, and location preferences. The Study Permit Assessment helps estimate the strength of a study permit profile based on factors such as country, finances, education background, and study plan. The Wage Lookup can help you check wage information for occupations in Canada. There are also several practical tools on the website. The Settlement Cost Calculator helps estimate how much money you may need based on your family size and immigration pathway. The Document Checklist helps you understand what documents may be required for different programs. The DLI Finder is useful for international students because it helps identify designated learning institutions. The PGWP Finder helps students check whether a program may qualify for a post-graduation work permit. The Language Test CLB tool helps convert IELTS, CELPIP, TEF, or TCF results into Canadian language benchmark levels. The Category Jobs page helps users understand which occupations may be connected to category-based express entry draws. The Regulated Occupations page is useful for people in licensed professions, such as healthcare, engineering, law, accounting, and other regulated fields. IRCC.io also includes provincial nominee calculators. These are for people who want to explore specific provinces such as British Columbia, Ontario, Alberta, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Prince Edward Island. These calculators are much more specific than the CRS calculator because each province has its own scoring system and selection criteria. I hope this tutorial helps you use IRCC.io more effectively for your Canadian immigration planning.